Okay, so I'm thinking, I took all the stuff off of my entertainment center shelves, and I'm thinking it would be so cute to have a fun, like, backsplash to that. I've been wanting to do something like this for a long time. So as bummed as I am about measuring incorrectly for my floor tiles, I'm kind of happy because I think they will be adorable on the back of this entertainment center. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so because these were meant initially for my bathroom tiles, they're not exactly the measurement I would need for the backsplash of my entertainment center. So what I'm doing is I have my first piece up, and then the extra piece that I'm going to, it's not quite long enough on its own. So I'm using another tile, and I've just measured out the area that I need. And what's great about these is they cut really, really easily with scissors. So all I've done is I measured the area I need, and I'm just going to cut along the edge. You see how easy that is? Super, super simple. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Okay, so now that I have the piece that I need, I'm gonna line it up with my other one and it'll look seamless. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, I have two pieces up here. I just lined up my extra piece the best I could and stuck it up there, and then I've got the extra here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my X-Acto knife, and I'm just going to slice along the bottom like this, and it's just going to peel away super easily. Now I'm going to need to put the camera down to do this one-handed, but I just want to show you guys how simple it is to do this, and it's super quick. So really quick with this remnant piece that I have here, I want to show you guys how easy it is to take this off. And this is why it's so great for renters or whatever. You're not stuck with this if you want to change your mind later. So you stick it on and you literally peel it off like that. So simple, so simple. I love it. And it's waterproof, you guys. This is waterproof. Okay, you can see I've got one done already at the top. Those are two different pieces together. And I just did the same thing down here, lined them up. That was super quick and easy. And how cute is this? I love it.